Hello, my dear crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to guide you through the exciting process of creating your very own NFT. While it might seem a bit daunting at first, the process is actually quite straightforward. Step 1. Selecting digital content. Start by choosing the digital file you want to transform into an NFT. It can be anything: a photo, a song, a drawing, or even a meme. The key point here is ensuring that you have the rights to the content. If you're starting from scratch, you can create something new using specialized tools like Bueno or NFT Nader, or familiar programs such as Photoshop or Procreate. Step 2. Determine the format of your NFT. What type of NFT do you want to create? 2D images. These are perfect for beginners due to their simplicity and accessibility. 3D objects. A more advanced format that requires knowledge of programs like Maya, Blender, or Houdini. GIF animations, audio, and video. Great choices for those who want to showcase their creativity in a dynamic or multisensory way. Virtual real estate, or metaverse lands. If you're a programmer, consider designing interactive spaces or items within a virtual world. Step 3. NFT type and purpose. Decide on the type and purpose of your NFT. Here are some common categories. Unique works of art. These are one-of-a-kind NFTs where a single piece equals a single token. Collectible series. Think along the lines of trading cards or memes with unique attributes. Interactive objects. Add a layer of functionality by incorporating code for interaction, such as programmable traits or dynamic features. It's crucial to think about the purpose of your NFT at this stage. Is it meant to be a standalone piece of art, part of a larger collection, or something functional, like an in-game asset? A clear purpose will help guide your creative and technical decisions. And that's it for today, friends. I'm off for a quick run before diving into more exciting crypto topics. Stay tuned for the next installment of useful tips and tricks. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is a playground for creativity, innovation, and endless possibilities. See you next time.